Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. I appreciate you clicking on this video. So on today's topic, we're going to talk about support and resistance, on how you can capitalize on trading support and resistance, and the rules that you need to follow when trading support and resistance. So without further ado, let's go into the chart. Hey guys, so yeah, let's analyze VIX 75. As usual, we start on a daily time frame. Okay guys, 24-hour daily time frame. Okay, so VIX 75 really trends a lot. It does trend a lot. Okay guys, so if it's in some sort of consolidation, it will always be a sideways consolidation that gives you a directional bias. Okay, for example, I could put this here. If we drew our support line here, okay, that drawing is pathetic. The other one is down here. See, down there. It's just an example. Okay, you see, regardless of it being in a consolidation, it was still moving a bit in a sideways, like up, pointing up. It's like a rising channel. Okay, so yeah, VIX 75 really support and resistance works like that. It's not always in a straight line like you would expect, like support and resistance. No, there's always like a sliding edge. It's either in an up channel or a downward moving channel. Okay, so daily time frame, really what you get from it is just a directional bias at the end of the day, so that when you drop down to your smaller time frame, you don't confuse what you're looking for, regardless of you looking for support and resistance. Okay, because it does break a lot of these zones and it just smashes them. It doesn't respect zones sometimes, but it usually is in either a channel. It will make a certain channel when it's breathing, then after that it continues to what it is doing. Like right now, we could say this and that. So we'll see what it does here. If it doesn't honor that, then that's that. But otherwise, it can do some weak rejections and do that and continue down. Okay, so we'll be patient. We'll see what it does. Yeah, so dropping down to your smaller time frame, let's do the 5-minute time frame. Okay, let's do the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute really has the best 5-minute and 15-minute. You would find the best these patterns. Okay, that's where you can do your even support and resistance. Okay, I always tell people to say, whenever you are entering trades on VIX 75 using this support and resistance, always bear in mind to say the third touch is better. Reason being, it gives you an edge in the market. So for example, here, this was the first touch, second touch, third touch, you could have entered yourself going down. Okay, that's another thing. When you zoom in, it goes all the way out. But yeah, what I'm simply trying to do is just zoom in this in. You've seen. So when you draw your level, when you draw your levels here, it touched here the first time. It touched here the first time, the second time, and the third time, that's when it's valid. Okay, you couldn't draw a zone below here because, okay, you could have, because this is the first touch, second touch here. So let's just put a zone there for the sake of those people that say, hey, you could draw a zone there. Okay, so no. I hate it from DJ Coach. I'm sure most of you that watch his videos hate that. At some point, yeah, I used to be, watching his videos for motivation. But anyway, that's besides the point. So first touch, second touch, third touch, you saw it broke through but came back to the zone, retested the zone, went up on the third touch. But in this part, that's what I always say, always have a bias when you're trading VIX75. You just don't do things for the sake of. If you are looking for sales, if you've seen the market is trending down, look for sales only. Because if you enter a buy just because the buy setup has formed, let it be a very quick scalp in and out. Not you hold for long. It will take your money, bro. It will take your money. VIX75 don't play like that. It's a beast, it's a monster like that. So support and resistance, really on the third touch, that's when you can sell or buy depending on which bias you have. Okay, and also just because you've seen it touching the third time doesn't mean that okay, I should buy. You should also, or sell, you should also look for candlestick patterns. You've seen the candlestick that was formed here. This is a bearish engulfing and there was a weak rejection. That simply tells you yes, the zone is valid and it's been rejected. Then you can sell at this part here. Let me show you. You can sell there, short position, bruh. We're looking for a short. You sell right here, your take profit. So let's drag it there. You could have targeted these lows here because you don't know exactly how far the market can go. You could have targeted those lows, then you entered there. Okay, yeah, we entered there. You could have entered there. Okay, at the close of that candle, you enter. Stop loss, it has to be tight. This is VIX75. You don't put your stop loss like you're putting something that you don't understand. So yeah, that should have been your trade. You enter, it hit, take profit. Okay, so on the third touch on support and resistance, that's how you trade support and resistance in VIX75. Third touch always. I can look for another example. You see the upwards channel I was telling you about, this one. Let's see, right here. No, it should be there. Parallel channel, yes. So start from here all the way. You've seen that it's moving to the upside, right? This is a channel. Okay, so the first touch was somewhere there. First touch, second touch, third touch, could have bought. Okay, on this channel, weak rejection, momentum is on the right side, you buy. Okay, that's basically how it works. Support and resistance, whether sideways, even in a downward. Look at this, look at this. First touch here, second touch, third touch, you sell, target the lows. That's how it works, guys. It's as simple as that. Okay, so yeah, leave a like, subscribe, comment where you're watching the video from. If the knowledge was valuable, what you want to see next, what do you trade, you guys? Let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, those are some of the basic rules you can follow while trading support and resistance, guys. So always remember, a pip a day keeps poverty away. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. Click on that notification bell so whenever I come up with new content, you're the first to know that there's new content around. So yeah, peace, guys.